Hi, good morning, everyone. Today we will have a short quiz about what we have discussed for the past 1 week. Directions. Match the word in column A with their meanings in column B. Write the letter of the correct answers. The following words are fragile, chaos, opponent, reluctant, measures, protocols, plethora, bumbershoots, and Ranivorous. For the meanings, we have letter A, umbrella, B, practices, C, policies, D, birds that eat frogs, E, person you are playing, F, uneasiness of mind, G, complete disorder, H, exists, I, easily broken, and letter J, not willing. So match the meaning of the word in column A with those with column B. For test 2, identify the meaning of the italicized words based on the context clues in each sentence. Number 11, because there was a little precipitation this year, the crops dried up and died. A, fertilizer, B, planting, C, rain. Number 12, although I was unable to understand all of the details of the presentation, I did get the gist of it. A, humor, B, main point, C, notes. Number 13, at a special ceremony, the police chief gave the officer a commendation for bravery. A, an award for an outstanding achievement. B, an object designed to bring good luck. C, a lecture. Number 14. One brother is an erudite professor. The other brother, however, has never shown any interest in the books of learning. A, old and elderly. B, well educated or well read. C, snobbish, stuck up. Number 15. Night is a time when many animals forage or search for food. A, come out at night. B, sleep. C, search for food. Number 16. The waiter was so brusque that we left only a small tip. He was impolite and impatient, and seemed annoyed whenever we asked for something. A, an act of speaking in a rude, abrupt manner. B, frightening looking. C, knowledgeable and skilled. Number 17. The store specialized in cutlery, such as forks and knives, that has a unique design. A, spices and seasonings. B, plates, bowls, and cups. C, silverware, eating utensils. Number 18. My sister is loath broccoli, but she loves spinach. A, dislike intensely. B, eats eagerly. C, prepares and cooks. Number 19. Psychologists have conducted research on altruism, which can be defined as putting the needs of welfare of others above one's own needs and well-being. A. Psychologists who conduct research. B. Research conducted by psychologists. Or letter C. Putting the needs and welfare of others above one's own needs and well-being. Number 19. Although Mary was willing to play in the snow, Jack was reluctant because he was so cold. A. Ready. B. Not willing. C. Excited. For test 3, write the letter of the correct answer for each number. It is a type, so it is a multiple choice. It is a type of context clue that provides readers with varying examples to allow them fully examine the unfamiliar words. Words like including, such as, and for example, point out example clues. A. Antonym clue. B. Definition clue. Or letter C. Explanation clue. Number 22, it is a type of context clue that provides the synonyms of words to provide the meaning of unfamiliar words or words. A. Restatement clue. B. Antonym clue. C. Sameness clue. Number 23, it is a type of context clue that explains the reason and the result of an event or action. Words like because, since, therefore, thus, so, etc. may signal context clues. A. Cause and effect clue. B. Definition clue. C. Inference clue. Number 24. It is a type of context clue that provides the meaning of unfamiliar words that can be inferred or guessed from the description of the situation. A. Inference clue. B. Sameness clue. C. Reason result clue. Number 25. It is a type of context clue that tells the opposite meaning of the difficult word. It shows contrast. A. Antonym clue. B. Definition clue. And or letter C. Sameness clue.